Hello viewers, welcome again to my channel for the Friday Friendly Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a simple vegetarian dish which is so easy to be made on Fridays and even you can eat it as a snack. We call this papadums. This is something that I pre-fried and I'm going to show you how to fry this. And this is the brand that I'm using. It can be bought in the stores and we can just fry them deeply. It will be a deep fried item. I will show you how to deep fry it. And right now the oil is been, I'm already in the frying pan, it's getting warm. And once it's been warmed with a proper heat, and we'll deep fry them one by one. Okay viewers, I'm going to start off with this first papadum, how to deep fry them. Right now the oil is properly warmed up and well heated, and I'm going to dip them one by one. I will show you a few, and when you see, it has to puff up. When you drop in, it has to puff up, and you got to just push it a little bit until you get the crisp. It just takes about few seconds, about less than a minute for each of them. And it's ready. We will wait for a little bit and then we will redo again. As it floats up, you just flip it and flip it again until there's no bubbles, and we are ready. And there we go, we have a proper one, and I'm going to show you another one. So drain off the excess oil and drop it off in a pan or in a bowl which is layered with a tissue paper, and to just absorb the excess oil. So viewers, this is the fried product, the end product, and so you just eat them as you break them, and you put it in your mouth and munch it. Thank you and happy trying. We'll see you soon. Bye.